how to reduce costs by using your on-premises licenses on Azure. In today's fast evolving digital landscape, businesses face multiple challenges when deciding how best to manage and migrate their workloads. Many customers, from small startups to large enterprises, are navigating complex decisions that come with moving to cloud or managing workloads in the cloud. So the journey to the cloud may be challenging, but the right strategy, it can also be an opportunity for growth, innovation, and transformation. My name is Adeni, and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. I have half a decade of experience in Azure cloud platform. So, what are the challenges that I want to be talking about today? First, when migrating to cloud or managing workloads in the cloud, licensing for virtual machines, databases, and other services can add significant expenses, right? Also, many customers have already invested heavily in on premises license and infrastructure. So, moving to the cloud often feels like wasting this existing investment that they've made. Businesses may need to operate in environments where some workloads remain on premises while others move to the cloud. Managing these environments separately can be complex and costly. Licensing for cloud services and on premises infrastructure can be complex, especially when trying to manage costs, right? Some organizations face regulatory requirements or business constraints that require certain data or workloads to stay on premises while taking advantage of cloud scalability and innovation. Even customers with aging infrastructure may struggle with performance, scalability, and reliability issues, but moving completely to the cloud might not be feasible. Creating and maintaining on-premises environment for development and testing purpose can be expensive and complex. You can see many customers have legacy applications that are difficult to migrate directly to the cloud due to compatibility, compliance, or other constraints. Disaster recovery and backup for critical workload is challenging and expensive with on-premise infrastructure. Also, moving to the cloud can be complex and slow due to concerns about costs, licensing, and compatibility. All of these challenges, if you summarize them, everything based on costs, really. So, the path forward, despite these challenges, organizations can take strategic steps to navigate this complex landscape by embracing a thoughtful, phased approach to cloud adoption, one that takes into account existing investment regulatory requirements and specific business needs. You know, companies can find a balance that works for them, whether it's leveraging hybrid environment, optimizing licensing, or gradually migrating legacy applications. The key is to plan carefully and act with agility. The journey to the cloud may be challenging, but with the right strategy, it can also be an opportunity for growth, or like I said, innovation and transformation. So, one of the Microsoft products that I want to talk about today is Azure Hybrid Benefit, a licensing offer that helps you migrate and save to Azure. I know what you're thinking. Why Azure Hybrid Benefit? Okay, so I will tell you why. If you use Azure Hybrid Benefit, you can save up to 85% over standard pay as you go rate. If you use Azure SQL Platform as a service, you can use Azure Hybrid Benefit with it. You can also get 180 days of dual use rights between on-premises and Azure. You can use existing SQL licensing to adopt Azure Arc-enabled SQL managed instances. You can also help meet compliance requirements with unlimited virtualization on Azure dedicated hosts and Azure VMware solution. There are so many advantages if you use Azure Hybrid Benefit. So I know one of the companies that has already cashed out on this, they leverage on Azure Hybrid Benefit. That's Upscript. Upscript realized big savings by taking advantage of the Azure Hybrid Benefit to move 600 on-premise Windows Server and SQL Server virtual machines to Azure. Upscript team simply moved the subscriptions to the Allscripts Azure enrollment agreement. That company also had 600 on-premise VMs that still had to be moved to Azure, most of which run older editions of Windows Server and SQL Server. For this, Allscripts took advantage of the Azure Hybrid Benefit, an offer that lets customers reuse their existing on-premise Windows Server and SQL Server licenses in Azure and realize licensing savings of up to 82%. Allscripts Healthcare Solutions Inc. has changed its name to Veradame Incorporation. To see what's new with their solutions and everything, you can just visit their website veradime.com. You know, you can learn. So let me just stop here. You can learn more about Azure Hybrid Benefit when you visit aka.ms/ahb. You learn how to save cost, read more on it, and you get to choose if it will help you or not. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss one of my brand new weekly Optimize with the Cloud videos. Cheers.